Hey everybody, it's Chris back with another review for the Blue Collar Beer Gourmet. Today I'm going to be reviewing a desert brewer who I have not had, I don't think I've had any experience with. I looked in Untapped, didn't see any record, and maybe in the past I've had it and didn't realize it, one of those beers I picked up and long since forgotten about. But I don't believe that I've actually had anything from these brewers out of Tempe. This is for Peaks Brewing Company's Hop Knot IPA. And it is described as such. Let's see if it says on here. Hop knot gets its name from weaving 5 different hops introduced at 7 separate intervals during the brewing process. So that's the deal, is it's a knot of hops that they distribute throughout the whole brewing process. Right, Rouse? Remember what you just read? I did pay $1.99 for this 12-ounce bottle, and 11 of my friends on Untapped have given it a cumulative score of 3.36. 35,000 have given it a cumulative score of 3.73. This was first posted way back in 2003 on Beer Advocate. So far, it only has 600, but even still, it only has 623 rankings, and its cumulative score is 3.94, making it very good. So the truth of the matter is, it scored, frankly, much better on Beer Advocate than it ever did on Untapped. So, howdy. So, anyway, there you have it. Uh, they're out of Tempe. As I said, I paid $1.99 for this. Oh, we do have a bottled on date. Okay, this was bottled in October of 2017. So this is old, particularly for an IPA. Um, but it has a 6.7 ABV, and according to the gang at Untapped, has 47 IBUs, which is kind of mild for an IPA. Going to be using my Duomo from Florence bottle opener that my man Tony got me. So let's crack this bad boy open. I'm using my stemmed IPA glass from Stone. The one that was in this bar set that Nancy got me broke. So now I've got my Stone stemmed IPA. And let's get to pouring, shall we? I just realized I turned the bottle the wrong way. I should be showing you the label, and I'm not. So there you have it. What you are seeing in there is a very true to the color. You're seeing pretty much the same color as I am right now, looking in the camera. I'm going to describe that as high carbonation, lots and lots of teeny tiny little bubbles emerging to the top. I do smell hops, but you know what's? I smell malt too. I mean, hops are predominant, but like behind the hops, put it to you this way: if there was a room full of hops and directly behind it was a room full of malt, and you were standing at the entrance to the room full of hops, of course you'd smell the hops first, but you'd smell that malt back behind, and that's the way it smells here. Is it's a um, on the back 40 smell basically. Not getting much in the way of citrus or anything like that. Just getting very hoppy, very piney sort of hops. Not getting any Citra or Chinook or any of those that produce more of a citrus. But let's see if I've got any. Somebody help me out with the name of this stuff at the bottom of an IPA that you pour into, or a farm ale that has all that farmy sediment. There's got to be a name for that. All right, looking good, smells good. Let's get to drinking, shall we? Cheers. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. It's not a particularly noteworthy IPA. It's got a good balance. I'll give you that. It does have a good balance. I think this might actually be a good IPA to bring into the uninitiated. This is not overly bitter. It's not overly hoppy. It is, but it's like I said, it's a good combination of hops and malt. And I want to show you really quickly the lacing on here, if I can get that without the sunlight. See that? That's from the first round, so that's pretty impressive. That's some serious lacing. That ain't going nowhere. And honestly, for only a 6.7 ABV, that's pretty good lacing indeed. But But yeah, I'm thinking if you've got a friend you're trying to bring into the fold, somebody who maybe had an IPA before and they liked it and they're not sure about craft beer, and you live here in the desert, I'm going to recommend this. I'm going to recommend the Hop Knot IPA to the to those who are trying to develop a taste, or to those who have a friend who possibly they might be able to bring into the craft beer fold. Um, Probably going to give this about a 3.5 on Untapped. It's good, but it's not great, and it's not an IPA lover's IPA. It's just a good beer. So until next time, drink good beer, don't break the bank doing it, and cheers.